Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed non-YouTube videos on Google Sites, the full 2025 guide. Whether your video is on Google Drive or you just want a clean, ad-free way to display videos, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. No coding, no complex setups, just a few clicks. Let's dive in. All right, first things first, let's access Google Drive. Make sure your video file is already uploaded there. Once you've got it ready, head over to your Google site. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a small drive icon. Click that. A window will pop up showing all your drive files. You can search for your video or navigate through folders to find it. Once you locate your video, click on it. And then, in the bottom right corner, hit Insert. And that's it. Your video will instantly appear on your page. It automatically fits into your site's layout, so you don't need to worry about formatting. But if you'd like to customize it a bit, you can. To adjust or align the video, simply click on it and use the drag handles at the corners to resize it. You can also drag and drop the video anywhere on the page to match your layout. It's that flexible. Just remember to keep your site's design clean and visually balanced for the best viewer experience. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to preview and publish. Click the logo preview button at the top to test how your video plays on both desktop and mobile. This step is crucial. You want to make sure the video fits well across devices. If everything works smoothly, click Publish at the top right corner to make your changes live. That's it. Your non-YouTube video is now successfully embedded on your Google site. Always remember to actually preview your site before publishing to ensure everything looks perfect on every screen size. And that's how easy it is to embed non-YouTube videos on Google Sites in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and effective web tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.